Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our House in the Woods project, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this manufactured attic. You can see there, we've basically created this 2-foot attic space by sloping our trusses up on the inside and giving us a place to put a bunch of ventilation, but it also gives us a place to put our heat pump up there in the manufactured attic. And you can see there is the return side. So there's our return grill in the ceiling. And then on this side of the unit, we have our supply trunk, which is really pretty simple. Just a round trunk. We have a drop here into the loft. We have a drop into the bedroom there. And then down here, you can see we drop into the bathroom. Here we have another drop in the loft. The reason for the 2 drops in the loft is we have this open to below space. So in the summer months, we're going to lose a bunch of AC down there. And then this one just has a couple drops, one to the bedroom over there, and then one to the bedroom there. So real simple HVAC design, but it's all made possible because we're in a passive house and we have this manufactured attic.